Welcome to KTA Kitchens, guys. This is Chef Maka Kwan. Today we're going to do a 20 roasted garlic green bean dish. Yes, I said 20 roasted garlic. All right, I have all the ingredients here. Super simple, super fast. Let's get started. We need the garlic. We got the canola oil, a couple pounds of green beans, a couple Hawaiian chili peppers, and of course, salt and pepper. Let's start cooking. So guys, here we go. We got all this garlic in the small shallow pan with the oil. Cover it up. And we're gonna just slowly roast this, maybe about 20 minutes so it's golden brown. And then after we're done with that, we're gonna actually blanch our green beans in hot water. Basically just cook it really fast, about 20 seconds so it's nice and green. And then cook it within our saute pan with our salt, pepper, our roasted garlic, and our Hawaiian chilies. About 20 minutes. So right now we've finished roasting the garlic and it's in this oil right here. You can see it. It's a bunch of garlic in there, 20 roasted garlic. And what's kind of cool about this is after you say you have all this garlic left over, you can use it for anything else. You can save it, put it in a little mason jar. You can use the oil to make eggs in the morning because all it is now it's garlic oil. Okay, now blanching. Well, blanch is when you take a vegetable or anything that you want, even a meat, and we put it in hot water or oil. In this case, we're going to blanch it in hot water. Just bring out that color, just start cooking the process a little bit faster because right now these green beans are really crunchy, right? We'll just blanch it in hot water, 20 seconds, take it out. We're gonna cook it with all the other ingredients, okay? So here we go, blanch them in the water. And it's really simple. If you don't wanna do green beans, you can do broccoli. If you don't wanna do broccoli, you can do carrots. What happens is, if you look at it, they used to be kind of like this light green. After you blanch, it's gonna be this really dark green. That chlorophyll is gonna come out of the green bean. Has that been 20 seconds? 20 seconds, right? 5 more seconds. Now we're gonna take it out, just like that. We don't wanna leave in there too long. If you go way too long, greens will just turn super soft, be all mushy, then you lose that crunch, that snap in the green bean. We don't want, we wanna keep it crunchy. Right, let's heat up our pan. Everything I have here, I already actually chopped the chili peppers. And if you want it spicier, go ahead and chop some more chili peppers. Okay, let's get that oil in the pan. We're gonna heat up our oil, put all of it, make it pop really fast, okay? Just be careful after you blanch your green beans, make sure you drain out the water as much as possible because when you put it in your hot oil, it will splash. And if it does, just tilt your pan away from you. All right, our oil is hot. I'm gonna turn it a little bit down, a little bit too hot. Our green beans are blanched, our garlic is roasted. Let's combine everything together, okay? That was a little hot. My green beans are in the pan, guys. Green beans in the pan, chili peppers in. Okay, salt. Pepper, and of course our garlic. I think it's a little more than 20. Who's counting, huh? And see literally how fast it was because we blanched the green beans in advance, and we're just warming it through. Chili pepper, roasted garlic. Right, let's get our platter. And here we go. That's it. Wow, 20 roasted garlic green beans. We are finished with the 20 roasted garlic green bean dish. Eat it, it tastes great. Have it with your favorite beer. If you want these recipes and more, go to ktasuperstores.com/recipes. This is Chef Maka saying, you don't need a fork for this dish. Grab them with your hand. Aloha.